Hi guys, and I'm going to make a minion. So what you need is you need yellow clay, you need blue, but I don't have blue, so I'll use green. You'll need an attachment tool, and you'll need something like a marker, but you don't need marker actually. I'm just like using this for a ball tool, and I don't have a ball tool, that's why. So the first you're going to do is get your yellow. Wait a minute. Get your yellow and roll it, and at the top just draw like make it like a circle like that, flat here and here. So that what time will your mom pick you up? Okay. So there, and you would get your green and that like cut. You can actually use a blade cutting and just make it a circle and get like a snake. Make it a snake. As how fit as how fit because this okay that's good. But we need to let go a little because we are just going to do it. Oh my god, wait a minute. Okay. See that? It's a snake, like a snake. And you get your dip, and I think you should make it turn that to that big. You can just, I can actually also use this like a blade. So that's my nephew, and we're just going to get this and flat it up. Just going to get it. Yo, I just my it's so annoying. And turn it like that. Yeah, see that? It's like a area. So we're just going to. Ugala sa mayonnaise. Mga tagwa na sa diyan. Mayonnaise, sige na ako man. Mayonnaise, please. Because we're gonna eat. We're going to eat French fries. I like putting mayonnaise and ketchup. So you're just going to get your piece that you took, the scrap of it, and you just turn it as a ball. And if it's a ball, you just flat it up. Yeah. Okay, okay. Then you just come as in different language. So everyone's going to flat it. I don't know if you can understand our language. And you're just going to flat it like that. Just flat it better with the roll. I forgot to show you the rolling pin, but I'm just gonna use the rolling. Okay, so
okay? You need to be careful all your things because so many were taken. But I told you many times.
Yeah, wait. What did she get? Wait, I'm gonna do something.
Huh?
I'm doing something today.
Wala niya mo kapilin sa panidada, di niya.
Just because of my friend.
Ako na magdudaan dito. That's what I don't like.
Mana number two show about so it's just get two snake two and make it like a snake, a thin snake, and it's so thin. Cut it in half.
Pero
Your
kung ano
blade
pa
or
rin,
your
basta
stick
may gusto
blade.
pa din eh. Basta na mo kapilin na.
The what? Wala lagi.
Sure ka?
Oh.
Pero naman doon tayo kaya usa.
Ibog man siya sa mong things. Pero ita inside. Natin. No, she's not good in the inside and outside. Oh yeah. Then we just get 2 pieces of ball of clay. My friend already made a ball of clay on her art, and she said just get 2 balls of clay for your. Huh?
Where's the only people?
Here.
Asa?
It's there. Dada, put it somewhere.
Go.
Dada. No, when she go, I check her bag man when she was going. That's why I saw my tape. She get it in her the pencils. I check her bag.
You don't want this one, my money?
You found it? That's where it's gone. Found it. Charge, ma'am.
My money?
No.
No?
When my cell phone is here now.
Huh?
When I have a cell phone.
What na cellphone na?
My new cell phone.
What kind of cellphone?
Why you got?
Huh?
Why you buy na?
Wala. What kind of cellphone? Like this big one, like this?
Yeah, I'll just buy it for her.
Huh?
Menu. Bye.